I have always wanted to do an extreme action film. Yeah, I feel today though it's all about the story. I mean, there is 12th Fail and there is Munjia and there are many more films. Everybody, I think every film is challenging, every role is challenging. So I think practice the craft.
So Guneet, welcome to Movie Fight. And first of all, मेरा पहला सवाल जो आपसे होने वाला है, that is when you choose a film to produce, what is that three thing which you keep in your mind before saying yes?
I think, thank you for your question. I think the first thing is what is the team, who's the writer director, or if we are taking it to a writer director, then what the temperament and the vision of the person is, and that comes very clearly in conversations. Of course, the number one is the script. If it moves you, it makes you feel something, you know, and then the person attached to it or one is taking to. And third, on how we are putting it together so that it is financially and creatively satisfying. Now, these are all things that you learn on the job, and each of us define it differently. But for me as a producer, first the story, and if it makes you move, makes you feel something can be love, can be tears, can be, you know, it really has to move the needle. Emotionally you have to feel something because it is a cinematic experience.
Right.
Then the person making it, it's a long-term journey, it's 2-3 years. And third, the math of it, because as a producer I sit right in between equity and the creative people, so I need to be able to be comfortable with what the budget of this film is. So, yeah.
On that note, can I just also ask you one question, like as a curious audience, I may ask you this, that एक अच्छी फिल्म को बनाने के लिए, एक छोटी फिल्म को बनाने के लिए एक जो बजट ध्यान में रखना चाहिए वो क्या होना चाहिए?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हर फिल्म का अलग अलग है.
Okay.
I've made films in like Peddlers and Haramkhor जो 1-1.5 crore के अंदर थी, and then there is Kill, which is, you know, 50 crore kind of a budget. So each of them their own. So yeah.
And when we talk about Kill, so Kill को हाँ करने के लिए, Kill को choose करने के लिए, what was that thing which
I have always wanted to do an extreme action film. So when our writer director Nikhil came and pitched us the story, it was an absolute yes immediately, because I've always wanted to do something extreme action, and he wrote it so beautifully. And इसकी लिखाई में इतनी खूबसूरती है, because the way the entire thing plays out, it's very magnificently designed. So I was very happy to come on board. And even when we pitched it to Dharma and we pitched it to Karan, and they were all on board in like 15-20 minutes of the narration. They were just like, yes, let's do it.
And
so
everyone loved the film.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And as a producer, if I ask you one thing which in the industry, in the film industry, you think needs to change, क्या है वो, according to you?
I think as producers, we need to have a peer group, and we need to be sharing a lot of information. I miss a peer group, so I hope that can change.
Okay, that's great. Also, one question to you is regarding like a few actors we have spoken to. So, you know what happens? उनका ये कहना होता है कि OTT पे हमें जगह मिल जाती है, हमारे numbers अच्छे आ जाते हैं. But when it comes to on screen, ऐसे कई actors हैं जिन्होंने कई फिल्में भी की हैं, लेकिन वो जो स्क्रीन पे जो नंबर्स होते हैं ना, जब फिल्म रिलीज होती है उसके बाद जो नंबर्स आते हैं ना, वो नंबर्स आना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, विच नॉट एवरी एक्टर कैन गेट दैट नंबर. लाइक ऑडियंस जो है उसकी वजह से फिल्म देखने शायद ना आए अगर एक्टर जो है उस स्ट्रैचर का ना हो. सो हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ एज अ प्रोड्यूसर यू फील कि ऑडियंस को थिएटर्स तक लाने के लिए एक एक्टर का क्या A-lister या B-lister इस तरह से होना ज़रूरी है?
Yeah, I feel today though it's all about the story. I mean, there is 12th Fail and there is Munjia and there are many more films that have explained that in this season. Every year there are films that break out. There is Kill, there is Lapata Ladies. So I just think it comes down to the story and what you make people feel. So the integrity of the story is really important. Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, and lastly, this is a very quick and fun thing which we do at Movie Fight. This is called Get to Know Me.
Hi, this is Guneet Munga Kapoor and Get to Know Me at Movie Fight.
If your life were a Bollywood film, what would be the title?
Kabhi haan, kabhi na.
Oh, what's your hidden talent?
I have so many talents, it's hard to choose one, but I dance really well. I think so.
Okay, that's great. Best advice you will give to aspiring actors and producers?
I think for actors, it has to be keep practicing your craft, because that is all that is in your hand. So keep getting better at your craft, keep showing up for auditions for your craft also. So from young to everybody, I think every film is challenging, every role is challenging. So I think practice the craft as much time as you get. So that is the core of it. And for producers, I would say do more, you know. You can't have all your eggs in one basket. Choose the right script and do more. Diversify your portfolio.
Close friend in the industry?
Close friend in the industry? Many. Prerna Sehgal, she's an editor. Tahira Kashyap Khurana, she's a writer-director. Yeah. Also close friend in the industry because I would say Sania Malhotra. Many. Yeah.
If not a producer, what alternate career you would have chosen?
If I was not a producer, I would be in social impact.
Best advice you got after coming in the industry and from whom?
Pace yourself out, don't burn out. Yeah.
And may I know, like, from whom? Anyone, if you can name?
No, I don't even remember.
Okay.
But my seniors in the industry.
Okay. The last one is, what are you scared of the most?
Loss of loved ones.
Great. And lastly, can we just know about next genre of your film and anything?
So we are doing a patriotic spy comedy. It's a thriller with Ayushmann and Sara, and it'll come out very soon. That's my next film.
Wow, great. Thank you so much
See you.
for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.